Let's say you want to remove the green screen from this video. First way is to go to the Fusion tab down here. Select your video and hit Shift plus space. Type in key and choose Delta Keyer. In the inspector panel, choose this color picker tool, click it and hold it and move it over to the green screen. As soon as you release the mouse button, it will remove the green color. Now you can add your own background in edit mode. The second way is to go to the color tab. Right click over here and add alpha output. Now connect blue dots. Go to the qualifier, it's a color picker icon. Make sure that you select this picker tool, the first one. Now just click on the green screen. Okay, we need to reverse this, so just click this invert icon. As you can see, we removed the green screen. But it needs some adjustments, so feel free to play with these settings here to make it perfect. Also add your own background. And this is it, a quick video about how to easily remove green screen in Davinci Resolve. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.